Alright, we're gonna put these on. So what? See, we're trying to save these guys, right? What are you doing?
Good.
Ah, look, I got the camera on. Ah. Alright. So very lightly. Ugh. What? Let me take it. You don't want this. You don't want to hurt it. But you gotta let the water out. Just dump the water out.
But then you have to touch the bottom.
You don't want the handle to fall down on the plant. So come on, put it on.
How did you do it so neatly and then?
I didn't even have to get in the mud. Well,
it's the first step in progress.
Right. There you go.
I did it.
All right. That's so that the water don't. See these two tomorrow? Put stuff in those two tomorrow. Whether it's raining or not. This has to be planted still. Grace. Grace. This all here still has to be planted. But you see what I did with the cell? Now the corn's planted. Can you see the rows? No, you can't. What rows? How do you know? I just didn't put a whole bunch of dead bodies in there and bury them. Yeah, whatever. We got to get this garden taken care of. Yeah.